how-to tutorial on coming into Camel Pose. Guide yourself up onto your knees with your toes tucked. Hands together at your heart center in Anjali Mudra. Begin to guide your pelvis forward, lifting up through your heart. Take now your hands and bring them to your low back. Gently press the heels of your hands against your low back to guide your pelvis forward. Lift your heart back up. Alternately, you can have your fingers pointing upwards instead, bringing your elbows in towards each other. Guide yourself to a neutral spine. Hands together at your heart center, Anjali Mudra. On your next inhale, come back up onto your knees, toes tucked. Start to again lift your heart up towards the ceiling or the sky, releasing your right arm and then your left, bringing your hands to your ankles, allowing your head to rest back. You can untuck your toes for a deeper expression. Keep the pelvis drawn forward. On your inhale, guide yourself back to Virasana, Hero's Pose. Namaste.